scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. It's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only you.
Ito negosyo ng networking kasi. Hindi ka na maiyaman na wala kang matutulungan. Malabo mangyari. Sure, bold to agad ka eh. Automatic, pag ginawa mo network business, automatic, meron ka ng mga isasama agad ng mga kaibigan, ng mga anak, mahal sa buhay. Na habang umangat ka, umangat sila. So, yun, kaya networking ang nakita ko talaga, pinaka-simple. Pag nakikita ko yung mga tao na gumaganda buhay, yun na naman lang dahil minsan akala ng tao pag nandiyan yung bagay material, yun yung happiest moment mo. Hindi lang yun. Hindi siya nag-alas. Pero magpapatawa siya sa gabi, magpapasaya siya araw-araw. Pag nakita mo yung mga tao, natulungan mo kung nasaan sila. Yung sipag mo pag dumating yung blessing, dapat itodo mo lahat. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga tao may ganong opportunity at may ganong blessing. So yun, opportunity plus blessing plus hard work, pwede ka mag-succeed. Ayun yung opportunity. Kasi, di ba, ang akala nila nung nawala lahat ng pera ko, nawala lahat ng napunta sa buhay ko, nawala ng kotse, bahay ko. Sa ibang tao, failure yun. Sa akin, opportunity yun. Di ba, dahil yun nga yung naniniwala kasi ako, the bigger the problem, the bigger the reward. The lesser the problem, the lesser the reward. Naka-influence na sa akin si Franz Miller. Tapos si Eddie Chai. Yung dalawang yan yung dalawang talaga yung nag-push sa akin. Marami sila mga katagang binitawan ng araw na hindi ko malimutan din. Dalawa lang gusto ko, dalawa lagi, don't give up, tsaka don't waste time. Dalawa lang yung pinaka...
Okay, yung word na never give up
and don't waste time.
and don't waste your time.
Lahat ng tao pare-paras na. Umiiyak, nalungkot, tumatawa, namumblema, humihinga. Kasi pare-paras na. Pero nagkakatalo tayo doon sa oras kung saan magbibigay. Pangalawa, yung bakit ko sinasabi doon sa yung don't give up. Lahat nga pare-pares pero the moment kasing nandun doon yung hindi mo gigiba, sabihin, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Lagi kami hook So yun yung kaya mayaman sila, yung oras nila is save by the other na. Miserable buhay nila kasi yung oras nila save by the other na rin. Kaya magkaiba sila ng buhay. Tapos yung giving up, yung mga tao kasing successful, yun lang ang meron sila na walang iba. Na they don't give up. Kaya habang di gumigive up, so tuloy ang laban. Yun yung dalawang paborito ko na tingin ko na very very important na ako. Yung iba naman, nandoon na, konti na lang, gumive up. Sabihin na wala po. So, yun yung tingin ko ang most powerful occasion na tingin ko na
Never give up.
If meron ako nalitrang 3 seconds bago maputuloy ako, yun na sabihin ko, don't waste time, don't give up. Sa akin kasi, ang failure lang is dadating sa'yo. Ito moment nag-surrender ka na Kaya, hindi ko masabi yung failure ako. Siguro, pwede ko sabihin na yun, process yun.
You learn from that, ano?
So, lahat yung proseso. Kaya, ayokong tanggapin na nag-fail ako. Because, ang alam ko doon is part siya ng process. And, magiging failure na ako if nag-give up na ako.